He's like, my little fry. 5 a.m. in the morning. This is what we get. We get blessed. Early bird gets the fish.
It's not a big fish, but it's a big sand bass.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the next episode.
I feel like you're in the honey hole.
It's I know y'all can't see me right now, but it's 5:45 in the morning and we're at Rowlett Creek attempting to beat people out here, but that's clearly not happening. There's already 5 people out here, so it's great stuff, right? I gotta stop telling you guys where my spots are. Everybody's taking my damn spots. Let's go! Damn, what happened to these trees? Well, we did it.
Yep, we're here.
They got a nice little fire over there, though. Kind of jealous of that. 6 a.m.
It's bad because the sun don't come up for another hour, bro.
Something just jumped immediately at mine.
I can't even see how far across I'm casting. Oh, dude, I wish I could see. Ooh, 6:45 in the morning. This fish are jumping like crazy. Same spot as we were last time. There's literally fish jumping every second. Like 6 fishes jumped at the same time. That was crazy. This spot is loaded right now. Not sure why I'm not getting bit, but we'll figure it out.
There are hundreds of fish jumping. Hundreds. Isn't that crazy? It's about 6:45 a.m. What do you have to say about the fish jumping?
Looks like it's breakfast for someone around here.
Yeah. They're feeding off bait fish.
There's literally so many fish jumping, it's crazy. Oh, there we go. Hey, that fish is jumping. First sandy of the day, it's a giant. Look how fat that fish is. Y'all probably can't see much because it's still dark. What the hell was that? Was that a fish? Was that a fish?
Alright, it's time. It's go time. We've been waiting for like an hour for this. Extra early morning. It's early sand bass season. So today's plan was step 1, secure the spot. Me and Andrew got here at 5:45 this morning, secured the spot. The next step is to catch a limit. It's time. I'm not losing this one. Nice sized. First fish of the day, 7 a.m. I think they're running, guys. I think it's spawning season. I'll measure them just to make sure. I know, I'm just gonna. Yeah, gets 11.
Do you remember how you cast in reels?
I was casting,
You let it sink or did you?
I let it sink like halfway, and I was just going like slow. But I was casting directly at under the tree, so targeting them like under brush, casting at it, reeling it real slow, and he smashed it. I lost one right before that one too. I tried to hook him like a largemouth. I was like, yanked. That's why we're here. Let's go. So hyped. This is my favorite season right now. I know what it is about it. Same cast. It's tied 1-1. 1-1, right?
1-1.
Come on. He's just nibbling it. I got that last one low and slow. Just cold, so like.
Everyone's catching them. If y'all have never sand bass, bro, I highly recommend it. This stuff is so easy and it's super fun. Oh, shit. Little baby. Baby. Little guy. Probably like 5-6 inches. The limit on sandies is 10 inches, so cannot keep that one. Another one?
Yeah, he's a donk. Yeah, this is a tank, dude. This one's a tank, bro. It's a big ass sand bass.
Yeah, it is a big sand bass.
It ain't no record. I saw some dude the other day catch a 4-pounder. Ridiculous, dude. Did you see that dude that caught that 4-pounder?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, he smashed that shit, bro. Just like y'all should smash that like button. Look.
Here.
Like,
Let go of the stringer though. Yeah, that's a big one. First one I caught. It's not a big fish, but it's a big sand bass.
yeah, like we're catching sand bass today, guys, and this is it, you know. We know they're not like, it's not a 10-pound LMB or anything, but it's consistent. They fight decent. So if it ain't on the stringer, it don't count. Number 2 for me. 2 keepers. Andrew caught 1 keeper on like Donkey Kong now. If you watch any of our videos, you know Andrew pretty much outfishes me every time we get fish, so. These things are big, man. It feels big. They're deep too, man. Dude, that's a big one. Another decent, fat sand bass, dude. Number 3. It's pretty. That's probably the biggest one I've gotten today. Yeah. Where you at? Yo, shit to me. Where you at? Where you at?
You're definitely gonna beat me.
Bro, I'm always tangled on somebody else's line on the bank, dude. It's the most annoying shit in the world. Like, pick up your trash.
First one I caught was pretty big too. Sandies are stacked in this hole. We've made a video here last time, and we would go somewhere else, but this creek is so low right now. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so hopefully when it rains, it creates a bunch of new spots for us to fish, because we usually fish numerous spots. Everything is just so low. Can't really fish much else besides this. And this spot's good, but we know spots that you catch a limit in 30 minutes. There you go, number 2. Catching up. He got attacked by a bird or something when he was a little kid. Oh, it's already 5. We're gonna let this one go, so this one don't count. Me and Caleb are trying to see who can catch more. This one's definitely too small anyway, so we're not gonna count it. Stringer fish only. Nothing. Eyeball.
You done caught up?
Done caught up. Where you at now?
3-3 got.
Another giant. You got one? Nice.
Where you at? That's suckers. 4-3.
4-3. 7.
Let's go, number 4. It feels good, boys. All big ones too, like good sized 12-inch sand bass. 11 and a half, 12 inches.
My toes are still frozen. Oh, I was about to show you all the fish and something just took it. Sandy number 4 for me.
Slow it down a little bit. I guess I'm just a lucky guy.
Ever since that kayak dude came, it's been. Yeah, he did scare them all away. Poor little fish. I mean, they're still jumping out there like they haven't eaten in days. That was crazy though, that the way they were eating earlier, dude. I've never seen anything like that besides under the bridge at Lavon. That shit was funny, that dude in the kayak him.
It's like, what the f? And like, you're literally gonna park right where I'm casting. Fish on. The dink. Small little guy. Small little fry.
This is the cast, I'm feeling it. They're jumping like crazy. Oh, there it is. It's a big one. It's a fatty. Man, that one's ready to pop. That fish is so fat, dude. He's either full of shad or pregnant. Next batch is in. You're losing now. No, I got 5.
No, you don't.
I swear. No, 5 for you. Think you can catch 16 more? Doesn't it suck when someone's on the left side of you casting?
I usually throw it right between the 2 trees. But that's a good cast.
Oh. This feels like a baby, but hard to tell. Where's he going? I don't know if that's quite 10 there, boy. Damn, he almost hooked me in the mouth.
You almost hooked yourself in the mouth.
He almost caught me.
Biggest fish all day.
Would have been a keeper for sure. He might be. Oh no, he's 9.5. You were like, that's a good cast. Boom, got one. That is the spot though, right under that tree.
There's gotta be like branches down there. Literally.
It's just a deep hole or something. Like, there's definitely some type of underwater current or something. You got her?
Yeah, that's a fatty, bro. You see him fighting?
That is a big one.
Come over here, buddy. Say hello to your little brothers. We tied? 5-5? It's 5-5, right?
I've gotten.
This is the fattest one I think all day.
I've caught 8 though.
Look at that. I've caught 6. That mama. Let's go.
Good.
Yeah. They're coming in batches. They're there. White rooster tail. Slide. Another. Dude, he's pissed. I didn't even hook him. I silly hooked him. 5 a.m. in the morning. This is what we get. We get blessed.
Early bird gets the fish.
Early bird gets the fish. Ow. He's mad. He's mad as hell. I'm not even gonna, y'all see him. He's mad. He's upset at himself. He's like, I didn't want that. And I just set the hook on this dude. I'm at what, 6? You're at 5? Damn, caught back up. It's all right. Today's definitely a great day. Slaying them out here on Rowlett Creek. Some good stuff.
That sun's not gonna be fun to deal with. But it's crazy how this spot is like, this is the only good spot, so everybody comes over here.
The boys are back in town, the boys are back in town. What time is it?
It's like 7:45.
It's 8. Remember last time they weren't biting until 9?
The sun is blinding me, dude. It's like toasting me right now. He's like a baby. That little toddler. Damn, he's all scarred up too. Bird or gar or something got him. Little 6-incher. That's how you know they're fully in the creek, when you're catching all those babies too. Yeah. Got the moms, the dads, the kids, the whole family.
Whole family's in town.
It's definitely the run's beginning. So early's the move. Find the shad. I mean, it's all common sense, guys. Came here early this morning, found the shad. All the fish were jumping, chasing the bait fish and minnows or whatever it was. And we weren't catching a whole lot in the beginning of the process, but towards the end, we just started back to back to back, basically. And within an hour, we caught like 8, and then it slowed down a little bit, and now we're just nothing. It's been a good like 30 minutes. 50, 60 casts, nothing. Might have to move. 11, I beat Andrew 6-5, first time ever. Yeah. How do you feel about that? Yeah. Yeah, I get 1 win, it's okay. But the quality of bites today are crazy. The very beginning of today, at like 6:30 a.m., all the fish were coming to the top, attacking bait fish. And that's, yeah, when it rains, we should be all good, so. All right, well, we're checking out. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe.
See y'all next time.
See you next time. You eat these? You want this?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want them? Yeah, man. It's all you. You can keep everything, stringer and all.
Sure.
It's all you, man. Good luck. Yeah, you have a good day.